This is a car from Darwin, driving on the highway and suddenly lying down, called the Porsche Panamera. Said it can't be repaired, it can only be replaced with a new one. And it takes a long time for the accessories to arrive. It costs 13,000 Australian dollars to replace it with a new one. The owner can stand it on the spot. Fortunately, I have seen the video of my professional maintenance and shock absorption before, so I drove straight over. It depends on how we fix the shock absorption. The master put the new skin, use special equipment and buckle back. Here it is. Please like and support it. Then assemble the repaired movement with the airbag. Tighten the screws. Check again.